Okay, next second problem in what's called K-map. K-map method is simplify the Boolean expression by SOP method. Even it is not SOP method, we are going to solve by SOP method only, but clearly they have given simplify the following expression by SOP method. Okay, what is the first thing? Given is min term or max term? Given is min term. What is mean by min term? In this location I need 1. Okay, in this location I did 1. Okay, what is the maximum value? The maximum value is for 15. 15 means how much variable problem? It is 4 variable for problem. Okay, 4 variable, what are the variables? Normally we will take A, B, C, D. So I have drawn the 4 variable map. Next I have to write the 4 variable map. Here I have to write 0, 0. Instead of writing 0, 0, I am directly writing A bar, B bar. Actually 0, 0, A bar, B. Next this is A, B. This is A, B bar. Actually it is 0, 0, 0, 1 like this thing. Okay. This is C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. Actually I have to write 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. But that's the thing. This is easy. This is easy. So I am writing like this. Next what I have to do? I have to put the 1. So which location I have to put 1? I have to put the 1 in this location. So where is 7 is there? 7 here see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So in 7, next 9, next 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are the remaining things are 0. It's not necessary to put 0, but anyway we have to put 0 because suppose they are asking POS method means we have to put 0. Okay. Now how can we box it? Okay, see, check it. This one, okay, how can we box it? This one, see, I am not talking about any other one. This one means I can box by like this thing, or I can box like this thing, like this thing. Okay, next we have to box. Is it possible to box all these 16? No. Next I have to go for box means for the inside it should be only 1 should be there. Okay, 8. So is it possible to be box 8? 8 I cannot box because here 0 is there. So I cannot box 8. If this is also 1, I can go for a larger box, 8 box. So then if it is 8 is not possible, we can go for 4. 4 is possible means where this 4 is possible, this 4 is possible, many 4s are possible. First I have to check this thing. This one I had to box only by this thing. So we had this is a special one because see this one means I can box like this thing. Okay, this one means I can box like anything, but this one there is no other way. I have to box only this method. So I will okay, it's not visible. Okay, next what the thing? First I am boxing this thing. See how many numbers are there? 4 is there. I have boxed this thing. So this all the ones have been boxed. Now I have to check this 3 thing. See, can I box all these 3? No. Otherwise can I box 6? 6 is not allowed. Why? It is not 2 power n. Because inside the box the number of 1 should be 2 power n. 2 power n means it should be either 16 or it should be 8 or it should be 4 or it should be 2. If there is no possibility is there like this thing, there is no possibility, then we can go for 1. 1 is what? Only single means what thing? This is square only. Suppose your 1 is here. Okay, suppose let us assume that there is a 1 is here. I cannot box anywhere. So I can box this thing. This is a square box. This is 2 power 0. But here it is not like so. This 0. Okay, next what I have to box? I can box this 2 ones. How can I box means? I can box like this thing. 4. I can box like this thing. Next, this 1 is remaining. So how can I box this thing? I can box 1. Otherwise I can box this 2. Otherwise I can box 4. That is also possible. So I am going for a 4 box. Nothing wrong. I can go larger the box, smaller the equation. Even for this one, I can go for a very larger box. Okay, next this one is pending. This one how can I box? I can box? See, there is only possibility only 2 things. Either I can single as to box, otherwise single. First we have to check for 4. 4 is not possible. Next I have to go for 2. Yes, 2 is possible. So I am going for 2. So the blue color I am going for like this thing. 2 I am boxing. Okay, now we will start writing the equation. First I will write the equation for red. First I have to check from here. Next I have to check like this thing. This is second thing. Okay, first I am checking here which is for red color which is common. For all the one, this A and B is common only because nothing is changing. This A, B is only. Okay, so y equal to AB plus, because if I see like this thing, everything will change for all the ones. If this one and this one, only which is common, C bar is common, but this one and this one, C is not common. So nothing will common for if I see like this thing. Then go to the green color. For green color, see, for green color, if I see from here, for this green color box, A is common. If I see from here, which is common, so sorry, this is C bar, D bar, C bar, D. C bar, D. Okay, next, because 0, 0, this is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, see, it is C bar. So, which is common? D is common. So, for this 2, 1, this D is common. See, if I see from here, C bar is changing to C. But D is here also D, here also D. So, it is A into D plus. Then, I have to go for which box? Black color box. Black color, which is black color? This 4, this corner. Okay, if I see from here for this 4 part. If I see from here, A is common. If I see from here, which is common? C is common. C. Finally, I had to go for this 2 box, blue color box. For blue color box, if I see from here, only 2, which is common? B is common. Okay, B is common. If I see from here, only this 2, 1, which is common? For this 2, 1, both C and D, it is not changing. So, it is CD. So, this is the final equation. Next, we have to implement it. Okay, see, if I box 4, I am getting only 2 variables. If I box 2, I am getting 3 variables. The number of variables increases. So, that only I had told, larger the box, smaller the equation. Larger the box, smaller the equation. Okay, then we have to, if they are, then we have to implement it. See, boxing is very, very important. First, we have to check from here, then we have to check from here. Okay, this is the equation. This is a simplified equation. We cannot further simplify. It's very, very difficult. I can take A, then B plus C plus D. Like this, I can change it. Okay, that's the only thing we can do it. Okay, but maximum K-map will give the simplified version equation. Okay, next we will see another SOP problem. Okay. With solve the simplified Boolean expression SOP method. Y equal to sigma m of 3, 4, 5, 7. 3, 4, 5, 7, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 13, 9, 13, 9, 13, 14, 15, 14, 15. So how many variable problem? By seeing itself, we can say that it is a 4 variable problem because 15 less than 15 is there. Even 15 is not there, 14 is there, 13 is there. If it is 8 once appears, it is a 4 variable. Up to 7 only, it is 3 variable. If it is up to, if suppose this is not there, it is how much variable problem? If this is not there, how much variable problem? This is a 3 variable problem. Suppose it is like this thing, 7, 9 is coming. Once 9 comes into picture, it is a 4 variable problem only. Because 9 is equal to 7 means 1, 1, 1. Okay, but 9 means 1, 0, 0, 1. So 4 variable problem. Okay, whether given is min term. So in this location, I need 1. Many problem you have to practice. Then only you will come to know how to solve these things. Zero, 1. This write in pencil, this thing, small things. 4, 5, 6, 7. This is for your convenience. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is A, B, C, D. This is A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar, C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. So which location we are having 1 per? We are having 1 at 3. See this 3. Next 4. Next 5. Next 7. 9. Next 13. 14. 15. So remaining all area 0. Okay, how to solve this thing? Is it possible to box 8? See, 16 not possible. 16 means there is no need for boxing. Directly we can write output y equal to 1. 16 means 0 to 15. All the numbers are there, means what the meaning y equal to 1. There is no need for solving. Whether next we have to check 8. 8 is possible. No, 8 is not possible. 4, yes, 4 is possible. But here very interesting problem this is. We should not box 8. Why? Because if suppose I am boxing like, suppose box, I can box. Okay, the thing is that even if I box this, like this thing, okay, I am boxing like this thing. This is an unwanted thing because this one, how can I box? I can only box these two things. There is no other way. I have to box like this thing only. Okay, this one, there is no other way. I have to box only like this thing, only 2. 4 is not possible. Like this 2 only, this possible. This one also I have to box like this thing only. This one I have to box like this thing. Okay, so is it necessary to box this one 4? It is an extra box. If I box like this thing means it is an unwanted thing. If I box means that is not, I will explain, because see, if I box like this, because this one already boxed here, this one already boxed here, this one already boxed here, this one already boxed here. So we should not box this thing. Suppose if I box this thing, it will additional equation, extra equation it will come. So if now I will write the equation for all those things. For this red color, for this red color, y equal to, if I see from here, these two things, which is common? This a is common. Okay, if I see from here, c bar d is common. See, c bar d is common. Plus next, this red color. Okay, if I see from here, both a, b is common. If I see from here, c is common. Plus next, for this green color, if I see from here, this is a bar b, both are common. A bar b. Next, if I see from here, c bar is common. Next, finally, black color. Okay, this black color box, what is the value? Here, a bar. If I see from here, cd. This is the equation. Suppose if I have drawn this thing, okay, if suppose let us consider I have drawn like this thing. What is the equation for this thing? B, if I see D. This is not necessary. Even without this BD, we will get the answer for this thing. So if I write BD, it is an additional thing, extra thing. Okay, so suppose if you box like this thing, then you have to see the box, okay, because it's a 8 mark question, you have to check it properly. Okay, so you have to box it because 8 mark means 6 mark question, at least minimum 6 mark question, so you have to take time. So because human intelligence is very much needed in this type of K-map. Okay, that's the thing. So you see, already it is all the ones are boxed. Why should we go for 4 boxes? Finally we have to remove the 4 box. Okay, next problem we will go for, okay, 5 variable. Okay, we will go for 5 variable. Okay, 5 variable. Okay, with don't care condition. 4 variable or 5 variable? No, we will go for don't care condition. For next class we will see the next video we will see about 5 variable. Now we will see about don't care condition. What is meant by don't care condition? It's like don't care. Since it won't care. Don't care. Don't care means in some locations, in some of the locations, the output may be either 0 or 1. That location is called don't care condition. In some of the locations, see, in some of the outputs, see, these are the location in output location. Okay, in some of the locations, the output may be either 0 or 1. It won't bother about this thing. Okay, that condition is called don't care condition, because all of your problem will come with don't care condition only. Importantly, applications. In the second unit, we will go for combination logic circuit applications. So many problems we will see about don't care conditions. How this don't care is condition, and that don't care condition, suppose in this location, it may be 0 or 1. The circuit won't bother about this thing. Means that is called don't care condition. That has to be denoted with X. The don't care condition, it is denoted by X. Okay. Whether we have to box this X or by either SOP method or POS method, we can use this X for making larger boxes. we can use this X for making larger boxes. Another thing, it is not mandatory to box all the X. Okay, all the, in SOP method we have to box all the 1. In POS method we have to box all the 0. But X means it is not necessary to box, but for making larger boxes we can utilize this X. Okay, we will see this problem. Okay, we will see, then only you will be able to understand. Just directly if I say means it's very difficult. Okay, same 4 variable only, same 4 variable. What I am doing, simplify the Boolean expression by SOP form only. See, first problem what we have seen, see all the problem we are seeing about 4 variable only. 3 variable it's very simple, so I am solving 4 variable. Next we will solve by 5 variable. Before that, first 4 variable with the don't care. So next class means next video I will show you the 5 variable and 5 variable with the don't care. So already I have informed you can have to use any basic books, any one digital book. Okay, book is very essential. Y equal to, here they have given like this thing, y of a comma b comma c comma d. Directly they have given what the meaning, it is 4 variable. Sigma m of what the value means, 137 11 15 plus d of 0 comma 2 comma 5. This is the equation. So this is called min term. See, 15 means how much variable? It is a 4 variable problem only, but here they are clearly given y of a. Some problem they will give like this thing, y of a b c d equal to sigma m of, okay, it is a 4 variable problem. Given is min term or term, min term. In this location what I need 0. In this term I need either it may be 0 or 1. This condition is called don't care condition. This is called don't care. Okay, here in this location I need what the thing, 1. Suppose if it is pi means, if it is given pi means it is okay, I have to get 0. But here clearly min term is given, only they have given this min term. So in this location I need 1. In this location I need either 0 or 1. So it is called D, don't care condition. So how to solve this thing? We'll go for the examination point of view, these are all not necessary. The scale are not necessary for making boxes. Just you can draw all those things. Okay, since it is so I think it's not visible proper. See, this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. This is AB, this is CD, this is C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C D, C D bar, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A B, A B bar. I think you remember all those things. This is 0 0, this is 0 1, this is 1 1, this is 1 0. Similarly here are, that is not necessary. Don't write this thing. Directly we will write this equation. That will be easy for us. Okay. Okay. In which location? 1 3 5 7. What are the locations? 1 first location 1, next 3, next 7, next 11, next 15. In this location what we have to do? Put 1. D, don't care condition, 0. I have putting X. Then 2, X. Next 5, I am putting X. Remaining locations 0. This is the filling the map. That's all. Sorry, filling the K map, filling the map, correct, filling the K map. I have filled the K map. Okay. Now we have to box it. How can we box? How can we box? See, this one. Okay, this one, 8 is it possible? I have to check. 8 is possible, 8 not possible. 8 I cannot box. Next I am going for 4. Oh, 4 means I can box this 4. This 4 I can box. Okay, so I am boxing this 4. Okay, next, this one. How can I box? See, if don't care condition is not there, if don't care is not there, okay, how I have to box? I have to box only 2. Now how can I box? I can box with this X, I can box like this thing 4, or I can box like this thing. Anything you can do. That is your choice. It's not mandatory for this one. I see this one. I can box this 2, but since x is there, we can utilize this x. So either I can box like this thing, okay, like this thing, or I can box like this. Both are 4 only, so I can box like this thing. So both the answers are correct. Okay, so what is the answer for this thing? Y equal to for this blue color, what the answer for blue color box? What the answer blue color? It is box like this. If I see from here, nothing will be common. See a bar. Now for all the 4s, here it is both are a bar, both are a, so it's not common, nothing is common. But if I see from here, CD is common, so CD plus, suppose I have box like this thing, so this thing, I have box like this thing. Okay, which thing I have left? This x I have left. It's not necessary to box all the x, but what the thing, for making larger box I can use this x. So this 2x I have utilized for making this one, for making a larger box. So what the equation? If I see from here, the value is a bar, b bar. If I see from here, nothing will be common. This answer is also correct. Similarly, y equal to CD plus, suppose some students what they will do, instead of making this type of box, okay, instead of making this box, some will do what they will do, they will do this type of box. Okay, whether all the ones are, yes, all you see this one, all the ones have been boxed, this one is boxed like this thing. We have left this x, we have left. Now what is the equation? For now the equation is CD plus, if I see from here, a bar is common, if I see from here, D is common. Okay, this equation or this equation, both the answers are correct. Okay, see that is depends upon individuals. Some person will do box like this thing, some person will do box like this thing. So here listen, they don't care, we are what we are doing, we are making to make larger boxes, but it is not necessary to box all the x, but all the 1 has to be boxed. That is very important. In SOP method, all the 1 has to be boxed. That is very important. But it is not mandatory that we have to box all the x. This x we have to left. Suppose I am boxing like this thing, means this x will be left out. That is not necessary to box all the x. Okay, both the equations are correct. In the university examinations also, if write any one thing, that is exact correct. It's not mandatory that you have to write like this thing or write like this thing. So what is meant by don't care condition? Don't care condition at that location, it is clearly meant, there will be given don't care condition. At that location we have to put x. That's the first thing. Then x can be used for making larger boxes. If it is necessary, we can use it. See, instead of making this 2 like this thing, I am making a larger box. That's all. Okay. Other is not mandatory to box all the x. So in this box only I have utilized this 2 box I have left out. Otherwise, I can use this 2 box. I can leave this thing. Okay. This is the thing. Okay.